Oh, wow. That's... That's typical. Wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That didn't sound good. Oh, it's not even in the frame.
When it gets squarely over here in the dirt.
Okay. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, whoa. Sure does. Oh, cool. We got some dirt bike racing going on over here. Holy smoke. Let me get this on the tray while I pick it up. Take this backwards. Wow. Oh boy, oh boy. All right, let's fly it again. Oh. I'm trying to do like a behind the scenes video here. Not bad. Not bad. Yeah, this is a nice fun video for sure. Guys, see my dad in with the remote control car in the background. Trying to keep the drone in the frame. Not bad. I hope I picked up in the video. Wow, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Did the battery die? Huh. Okay, there it goes. Oh, hold on, the battery might need swap. Huh? Alright, we're back in action. Just gonna fly the drone until my dad gets the Hold on, people, we'll get there. Hold on, people, we'll get there. Okay. Off we go. Oh yeah.
Can you see it from the other side?
Yes, it's right here. I see it. It's in my video.
Oh, it's right here.
Yeah. Alright, I turned the drone off for a minute. Let me get a closer view here. Here. My words. Oh, I guess I could leave it on the tripod and just drag the tripod over there. Let's do that. Let's do that. Here it is. Oh, we did it. We'll clean it up just fine. This is the Kraton.
Right behind you. How come we're not going down all around all that?
Do it.
Listen, you're not cold.
Mm-mm. Oh, there's the other one. Oh, wow. Take this.
Okay, alright, then let's do it.
Well, if you go down over there, it rolls down. That's a cement thing. But I want to go through here. There's a cement piece and then it rolls down. There's a thing.
Yeah, I did it.
So this is just this one.
Wow. Ooh. Nice close-up shot.
This is supposed to be the one for you, homie.
Yeah,
Sure. You gonna ride it?
I might. I was also doing the drone as well.
This is yours.
I'm also recording, so
This one's super durable.
I know.
See that?
I want to get a video. I was getting some video shots though. Whoa! Dang. Up. There's the other one right there. That's my T something, I already forgot.
Well, that wasn't intentional. What's over there?
Let's see where it went. Let's see where it went. I'm gonna video this. Let's see.
Listen, I burned rubber on my new paint. Oh, perfect, Jake. Do you see it?
Try not to.
It might be on this far side.
It went right here.
Oh, it's over here. I see it.
Is it on its top?
Try not to.
Yeah, but it looks like you're gonna have to go in reverse or.
It's on its wheel?
Oh, here it is.
It's on its wheel.
It's on its top.
Oh wow, here it is.
It's on its wheel. So reverse it.
Let's have a closer look at.
There you go.
I can't see.
Well, then get your ass over here so you can see. So go to your right.
Actually, I'm watching, so go to the left.
These hills are over
Right. If you go to the left, she's gonna end up back in the ditch. So. Okay.
In the meantime, let's see this other one. I'm up here.
I can't even see shit.
Open your eyes. Oh shit.
I can't. I walked right here.
Yeah.
I walked from right there.
Okay, that's not the
She's gonna fall.
and light can't tell.
Oh wow. I'm gonna go up any higher because this is.
Dude, I gotta go to the goddamn bathroom now.
Wow. Man. Oh man.
And I feel like they don't go straight very easy.
Well, because we're not used to driving them.
Oh, there it is on the. It's on the other side of the fence.
I think we're gonna get ready to go to the other school, so.
Oh my gosh. Great, you're recording me. We should go to school.
I gotta figure out how to get out of here. Alright. Alright, we're gonna go to the school in another second, so. Oh my gosh. There's the other one over there. Get ready to grab the... Dang it.